Still don't know how to use the iOS 17 hot feature name drop? Today this video shows you how to use the iOS 17 name drop feature. To use the name drop feature, first of all you need to set your personal contact photo. Open Contacts, click My Card, this is your card information. Click Contact Photo and Poster, click Edit, you can set multiple business card styles. Select New, you can choose to use photo or memoji, etc. You can adjust the size of the photo, adjust the font style, and choose different filters. You can also choose memoji, choose a pattern you like. Click Next, you can also design the style of the font background. Click Done when you finish. Click Continue, you can also choose a different photo for the contact photo. So the contact photo and poster are designed, you can also add more personal information on the business card. Click Done. Before using name drop, remember to turn on AirDrop in Settings. Now you just need to put your phone near the top of another iOS 17 device. Select Share, and then you can exchange business cards. Go ahead and try it.